Hello viewers, welcome to watchindia.tk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Skmei digital wristwatch in stainless steel chain, and the model number of this watch is 1712, and it's a round dial digital quartz watch by Skmei. Skmei is a Chinese brand, and it's a really attractive watch in stainless steel chain. It's in silver chain, silver dial. This is the close-up of the dial. As you can see, the time is in digital 12:41, and then Friday 9:27 the date above the time, and the feature of the watch are mentioned on the dial, like dual time, countdown timer, LED backlight, alarm, chronograph, and this is the chain, and this is how it will open. You need to press this and it will open, and this is the back side of the dial. Water resistant, Skmei 1712 model number is written on the back. So viewers, a pretty decent watch, a budget range watch, a digital watch, and there is only one button, as you can see, this button in this watch to basically adjust and set the time and other functions available in this watch. So we will check all the features, functions available in this watch. We will try this watch on the wrist. Also we will check the weight and the diameter of the round dial. So viewers, let's check the weight of this watch first and the diameter. Viewers, the weight of this watch in gram is 127.4. 127.4 gram is the total weight of this watch, Skmei 1712. So viewers, it's a heavyweight watch. It's not lightweight. It's in chain. So 127.4 gram is the total weight. We will check the diameter of the round dial from this point to this point. So viewers, we will check the diameter in millimeter. So viewers, the diameter of the round dial is approximately 41.9, around 42 mm. 42 mm is the diameter, and the thickness of the round dial is 10.5 mm. 10.5 mm. So viewers, we have checked the weight and also the diameter of the round dial. Now let's try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, as you can see, pretty attractive dial, attractive watch, a digital watch in stainless steel, and this also you can adjust as per your wrist, and this is in complete silver. There are other variant also available of this model, like it's available in golden, black, and also rose gold. So different other variants are also available, and this is the button. Basically with this button you can toggle between different functions available in this watch, like this is alarm function, dual time, stopwatch, and stopwatch is in action, and stop, and you need to press and hold for 4 seconds to go to the next function, which is a timer, and also you need to press and hold this button to go to the next, which is the time. So the digital setting and the time setting of this model and different features which are available in this watch and which you can set by using this button. All information is available in the manual which you will receive with this watch. So viewers, this is a manual, so all the feature and the mode, how you will adjust it, different mode like normal time mode, alarm mode, dual time mode, stopwatch mode, countdown timer mode, and then see in the normal mode, press A for 2 seconds, and then adjust second, press A, press A, press A. So all the settings, alarm mode, press A for 2 seconds when you are in the alarm mode, stopwatch, day time. So all the settings are available in this manual, and with the help of the manual you can basically easily adjust the time. 12, I want to change 12 to, let's say, 5. I will just press 5, and then for example I want to change 47, so I will press and hold for 2 seconds. That will go to the next settings, and then I'll press and hold again, it will go to the 7. So the settings are different, unlike other quartz watches like Casio and other watches. The time setting is for this is totally different. So viewers, you can order this watch Skmei 1712 online in Pakistan by visiting our website watchcenter.pk, and you can also send us your order via WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 031022333484. For international customers, we have given link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watchcenter.pk to get notification of the video reviews and other deals and promotions available on our YouTube channel. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.